Google Sheets is a free, web-based spreadsheet tool in Google Workspace that lets you organize, format, calculate, and analyze data in rows and columns. If you've used Microsoft Excel, you'll feel right at home, but Sheets shines with cloud integration and real-time collaboration, so your work is always saved and easy to share. You can access Sheets in a web browser, on Android and iOS apps, and as a desktop app on Chrome OS. If you need to work without internet, enable offline editing with the Chrome extension or use the mobile apps, and your changes will sync when you reconnect. Collaboration is where Sheets really stands out. Multiple people can edit at once, with color-coded cursors showing who's doing what. Every change is saved automatically, and the revision history lets you review or roll back to earlier versions if needed. There's also a built-in chat sidebar for quick conversation inside the document, keeping context right where you're working. When it comes to calculations, Sheets supports a wide range of formulas and functions. Start with an equal sign and use familiar options like sum to total a set of numbers or average to calculate a mean. As your data grows, these functions help you stay accurate and consistent. For analysis and visualization, you can sort and filter data, build pivot tables to summarize large datasets, and create charts and graphs. The Explore feature is especially helpful. Type a natural language question like, total sales by month, and Sheets will suggest answers, formulas, or even charts you can insert instantly. Sheets plays nicely with other file types. You can open and edit Microsoft Excel files, work with open document spreadsheets, and import or export CSVs. This makes collaboration with teammates who use different tools much easier. Integration is seamless across Google products. Pull responses from Google Forms directly into a sheet, reference market data with Google Finance, and link content with Google Docs. You can also install third-party add-ons to extend functionality for tasks like data cleanup or advanced reporting. Before we jump in, a few key terms. A cell is a single data point where a row and column intersect. Columns run vertically and are labeled with letters. Rows run horizontally and are numbered. A range is a selection of multiple cells. A worksheet, or sheet, is one tab within your file, and the spreadsheet is the entire document containing one or more sheets. To get started, visit the Sheets home screen and click New. Name your spreadsheet, enter a few sample rows and columns, try a simple formula, and explore sharing when you're ready. Whether you're budgeting, managing projects, entering data, or doing accounting, Google Sheets gives you a flexible, collaborative workspace in the cloud.